In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and hitting Bluetooth. Then use gray switcher next to Bluetooth to activate it, and wait for abouve devices to show up. If you want to, you can select Cancel or Allow in this pop-up to decide if you wish to enable information about nearby devices. Then tap on the available one. And last but not least, select Pair in the pop-up. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!